We're gonna Bookie sharpen these knives. Are you ready for it, MJ?
I'm not.
No one is.
Are you prepared?
No.
Are you? You feeling lucky, punk?
I'm gonna start with your knife just to test it. Tell you what, just to protect my own fucking eyes, I've got no glasses, yeah? I've got no goggles, but I've got these. I've got my hippie glasses. Because we are Bookie sharp.
Title of the video, Elton John sharpens knife.
Elton John is a knife terrorist sharpening knives for Turks. I want to sort out that point as well, because your point was really long after your dad fucked it up. There you go. Give that a try, see if that's any better.
Elton John sharpens knife. Very successful.
I do want to sort out that point, but that means I'm also probably going to sharpen that, and while you said that is a bad idea, I'm not prone to sticking my thumb on the top end of the knife. Alright, let's get this done. This is going to be very fucking done. Because I'm basically creating my own blade. And to start, better and better.
Right, that is where this will end.
What?
You will not find out what happens with this knife until future episodes.
Yeah, you know, you'll never see the knife again. Fucking hell.
Would you like to say goodbye, Elton?
Man, I'm not done.
Well, I want to say goodbye.
Because that's not sharp enough.
Well, it's a goodbye from me. Toste!